Hi guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. We're going to show you a backup camera installed on a truck. In this case, this is a Ford Transit 350 HD. We have our reverse camera installed in here. Next to it we have our dash cam. You can watch the video of the dash cam. We're going to put a link in the video here for the dash cam video. So this is our rear camera. Now, one thing we like about our camera, we've seen a lot of different variations in cameras options out there. Unfortunately, what we've seen that they all look similar, but you get a different look, you get a different view. We've shown you videos that the view in the back is very, very poor. You can all barely see 3 feet, 4 feet behind you. Even though it's so high, you can barely see 3, 4 feet because you're trying to see the steps. You're trying to see this area to let you know how far you can back. So when the lower quality cameras are pointing low to see this part, you can barely see backwards behind you. So we're gonna put, for example, we're gonna put a box. So I'm gonna put this box in here. So as you can see, I would say we have about 15 feet here, and that will give us an indication. We've installed in this car a radio, so we have a Pioneer radio, and the camera shows on that radio. So you can see here the double DIN with the Metra dash kit. We have the USB on the bottom in here. We got everything nice and clean, closed. I'm going to turn the ignition on. Close the door. Okay, so we heard our dash camera alerting us the impact event has occurred during parking. Again, this is our Geon dash cam. You're gonna see a separate video for this one, but you see it gives you an alert that there was an impact during parking. Now I'm gonna put the car in reverse, the truck in reverse, and you can see here, there is our box. But you can see actually, you can see all the way to our door, and you can see still what would be your bumper. In this case, we have a ramp going down, but this is what would be your bumper. This is what you want to get when you put a camera on big trucks. You might pay a bit more, but when you go reverse with a vehicle like that, you want to be able to get as close as possible with your bumper to the bay that you need to get to, but you also want to see if cars coming from far away. As you can see, also very wide angle, so you can see it's a bit of a fisheye. So you can see a lot to the sides, to the wall, and all the way to our back. I'm gonna put it back in drive, and I'm gonna show you. So you can see here, this is our, there's a banner in here. Okay, we have our chair and our sitting table in here, and you can see here the door. I'm gonna go back out and show you how far is this all. So obviously you can see our work chair, you can see all the way there. So think about you in the truck, a vehicle comes from there, from the side, you can see it ahead of time. Our door I would say is about 30 or 40 feet away. Again, you come out from a parking, you can see our banner. You see the banner? This is the banner. This is pretty much in the line of the truck. That means the sides. That's how wide is the angle that you can see to the side of you. So if there's a car in here or something when you're reversing, it's easy for you to see. For backup cameras and other electronic, you can always find us at Car Systems Installation. Subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.